Today, I only took one trade on Roku, and if I would have just held, since I'm not trading with big risk, if I would have held that last share, because I only got 4 shares with where my stop was, I could have held it all day and gotten out before close and had even a bigger move, but ended up just getting all out. So I took a 2-minute orb. The 2, let me go to the 1. On Roku, so it doesn't have a ton of volume pre-market, but it never does when Roku's in play. So it got a price upgrade, and when I first started trading, I was trading Roku a lot, and so the 30-minute, the 60-minute, the daily trend, everything was bullish. So I liked the congruence of the time frames. And then we were above VWAP at the open, so that was good. So as Roku opened, first candle was white, second candle was white, and then we were into this R4. And Thor trades an R4 breakout strategy, which I should listen more and learn his criteria, but I was waiting until I saw those bids come in at that level. And then there was some L2 confirmation. It was like 60 lots there. It wasn't a ton, but so I went long as we broke R4. My stop was below VWAP. We chopped around a little bit at this daily level, which we've consolidated at before. Actually, it looks like that was the last high. So when we broke out from there, I took my first partial at 365. And then I waited, and I liked the volume. We had one red candle, and the other red candles had a really low volume to begin with. And then we sold off at low volume, bounced off with a 9 on the 1, and just kept going. And then I took another partial at 370. And this third partial may be a little bit premature, but I saw we were making new lows on the 1. So I took my fourth partial. The other thing is I need to be on a call for work. So before I go live, I need to figure out how to set orders where one cancels out the other, so I can just let them run and not have to be watching so closely. But if I would have held, I could have, with a break even as a stop, I could have held all day, and it just ran. So, I mean, it never got to my break even. It's crazy. But the SPY was strong. Really, really strong today. So, yeah, that was my one trade. I have my entry queued up here. And the other thing is I didn't look at the spread right before I took the Roku trade, so I got like a little spooked when I took it, and I was like, shit, I should have looked at that. But I don't know, it worked out. So I was watching Plug, I was watching a few things today. So into R4, I didn't want to trade it into R4 because I didn't know if it was going to reverse. So I wait. It's right at that 360. Wait. Comes down a bit, bounces. So I took a long, I guess it was before the 360, the R4. So I get a little spooked out, but I kept with it. There it goes. And there's the R4 break. And then it goes to the last high on the daily. But yeah, I had to put my stop at VWAP. So I only took 4 shares because I'm only trading $20 risk. But that was my trade, and it turned it out really good. I think I need to pay more attention to the risk to reward. Since we were at all-time highs, it was okay here, I think, if you're at all-time highs, to just take it. But I was proud of not trading it into R4 because that risk to reward wasn't there. But I think I just need to think about that before I trade, before my entries. That's all. Thanks. Bye.